How to delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Instagram application and sign in to your account. Now navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you need to simply tap on three-line icon at top right corner and wait until the section get loaded. Now you have to scroll to the bottom of your screen and here you will see the login section. Simply tap on logout button. Or instead you can choose add account button and select log into existing account. Here you will see all the list of your accounts that have been logged in. To delete it, you can tap on three dots at top right corner and select remove profiles from this device. In order to delete Instagram account that is linked to another account, tap on remove button and then tap on remove button. Similarly, you can apply this for every profiles. And with that, you have successfully deleted Instagram account that is linked to another account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.